Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious brisket quesadillas. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked, shredded brisket, 8 flour tortillas, and 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese, like Monterey Jack or a cheddar blend. Don't forget a little oil or butter for cooking. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a fantastic meal in just a few minutes. Now, let's assemble our quesadillas. Heat a large skillet or griddle over medium heat and add about 1 teaspoon of oil or butter. Place 1 flour tortilla in the pan. Sprinkle about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese over half of the tortilla. Then, add about 1/4 cup of your prepared brisket on top of the cheese. This layering ensures every bite is packed with flavor. To achieve that perfect gooey texture, sprinkle another 1/4 cup of cheese over the brisket. This helps bind everything together beautifully. Carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filled half, creating a crescent shape. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the tortilla is golden brown and crispy, and the cheese is wonderfully melted and bubbly. Keep an eye on the heat to prevent burning. Once cooked to perfection, carefully remove your brisket quesadilla from the pan and place it on a cutting board. Let it rest for about 30 seconds to a minute. This helps the cheese set slightly. Then, using a sharp knife, cut the quesadilla into 2 or 3 wedges. Serve these delicious quesadillas immediately with your favorite accompaniments, such as a fresh pico de gallo, creamy guacamole, or a zesty sour cream. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.